Hello again. Today my friend Clown Buddy had requested me to teach him and share with him how to make a car balloon sculpture. Yes, I had the same problem before. I tried to find on Google, but all of the designs are too elaborated and took too much time to be done. Okay, this is not going to be good if you have a long line and you are doing a balloon sculpture giveaway gig. So I found a model. I designed it myself that is both easy, fast to do, quite easy, but it looks it looks good as well. Alright, so I'm going to just go straight to the design. Okay, you need two balloons, right? One is a lighter color, another one is the dark color. The lighter color is for the body, the dark color is for the tires, alright? Okay, and before I start, I would like to remind that this tutorial is only to share with you the design and how to do the car balloon sculpture. But if you are a new and a beginner on balloon sculpting, you better go to look for on YouTube how to start with doing a simple balloon sculpture. Okay, so this one I'm going to do step by step how to do the car balloon sculpture. Okay, firstly, when you pump the balloon, you just leave it with about 1.5 palm of balloon, yeah, leftovers there, right? Also goes the same for the tires, the dark colored one. Okay, now you use your hand and measure it like so, and make a bubble. Make another size 1 bubble, which is only like a round, like a circle like that, and a double size bubble, single size bubble, and another one same as the first one, like so. Okay, and you do another size 1 bubble and size 2 bubble and another one size 1 bubble. Okay, so you're gonna end up with this design. Okay, put the neck towards the last bubble, and you're gonna get like a photo frame, right? Okay, these are all size 1s that you have to do the ear twist, right? The ear twist like so. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now this is going to be the body, the framework of your car balloon, right? Okay, now what about the leftovers? Okay, what I prefer to do is to make a spoiler at the rear of the car, right? Like so, 1.5 balloon, double balloon, and 1.5 balloon. Okay, so you'll get that type like so. Okay, and just going to finish up at the nearest ear twist balloon that you've got just now. Okay, and how about the leftovers? Of course, you need to pop it up. Okay, pop this away and hide the balance remaining of the balloon over there. So this is what you're gonna get. That is the body of your car, right? Okay, now let's start with the tires. Take the darker color of the balloons. Okay, you don't have to use yellow. You can use white and even pink, bright pink for girls. And for the tires, you have to choose a darker color. In my case, I'm choosing the dark blue, but you can also use dark green, or if you can find brown or even black is the best. Okay. Now you got the body here. This is a spoiler there. You start with the front fender. Okay. Now the ear twist has become fenders, 4 fenders for 4 tires, okay? So you take the neck of the dark colored balloon and put it right there. Okay. See? Okay, now we start with the first tire. So okay, put the tire down there. So that's one tire. And so for the roof of the car, you use 3 fingers, 3-finger balloons, 2 of them, like so. And on this part here, you put on the opposite fender, okay? Oh, I'm sorry, this is going to be too tight, right? Okay, so you have to make a longer balloon for the roof. I'm sorry. Okay, like so. And this part, you twist it. So on the opposite fender where you started it, right? This is where you start, and you take the opposite fender right there, and you make another tire right here. Okay, try your very best to keep the size of the tires as same as 4 of them, okay, all 4. So okay, let's look at the rear. That's the fender there, right? So you're gonna do another balloon this size with the blue one right there. Okay, the objective is to cross the balloon, the blue one, to the other fender next to the second fender that we've just made the tire, right? So we got that. Okay, that's the behind. We got the tire over here. So we need another one over there. Like so. Rear tires, 2 rear tires, and you push this leftover balloon to the top. Okay, to the top of the number 3 fender, and you're gonna cross this. You're gonna cross this right there to the opposite fender over there. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry if this is some of you will find that this tutorial is too fast, but as I've mentioned, this is for to share the design of it and not how to do balloon sculpture. Okay, right now we need another one, same as here, like so, and finish up to the last fender over there. See? Okay. Just turn the blue one more time to the top and to the bottom and make the last tire, okay? We just need 4 tires. This is not a real car, so you don't need 5, 1 for the spare tires now. So we're gonna left over with this end. So we're just going to just right there, cut it off like so. And the leftovers just goes once or twice around the last tire or even the last fender, and hide the rest in the body of the car, right? So roughly you already have the shape of the car coming. 4 tires on the 4 fenders and the roof and the spoiler, right? So what you have to do now is to do a fine tuning so that you will get the best shape of your car. See? Okay, that is from the side, the front, fender, tires, and the roof. And this is from the front, so see, and the fender from behind. So there you are, a very fast, very simple, but yet it does look like a car, right? But if you want to elaborate on the shape, you can always draw the front headlights and also the grill for the engines, like so, right? And behind you can make a square, which is the brake lights and the turning signals, and also the car plate number, right? So that is the car that I designed especially for us clowns that really want to make a car but still have to attend a long line at a balloon sculpture giveaway gig, right? So try it for yourself. I'm going to come up with another one, an aeroplane and a helicopter, and I'm going to share with you guys, okay? So thanks for watching. Try it.